नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all. I welcome all the living Hindus, practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvanyapita Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvavarityagis, Shri Mahans, Mahans, Kotari, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas, E-Gurukul students, NHU students, and all the Paramashivoham Season 4 participants, everyone sitting with us on Kailasa TV, Kailasas Nityananda TV, Kailasas HN TV, Kailasas Enlighten app, and other social media platforms. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Paramashiva's direct message from Kailasa. Absolute unclutching is the extremely enlightening fuel for your life. Understand? Fundamentally, your consciousness. What excites you, what triggers you into action, what makes you fully alive, awakened, that is your resource, your fuel. Listen, your fuel. Need to be right and pure. Please listen. If you use the right fuel, right resource to excite you, inspire you, energize you, you will have respect for yourself. You will have respect for yourself. I tell you. If you use meat as fuel for your body, slowly but very definitely, even you will lose respect for yourself. If you use alcohol to pass your time, to pass your life, even you will not have respect for your life. Hey, to be deluded in alcohol, why should you assume even one body? You asked Paramashiva and Paramashiva gave you this body. if you are deluding yourself in alcohol and keeping you dull, passing your life, it is absolute abusal of your body. And Paramashiva, who gave you this body, come to basic understandings and integrity. Listen. If you come to basic understanding and integrity, your life will be beyond your body. I am telling you. Sri Chidambara and Ma Premaya in Dubai, their father passed away. But every day he is sitting in the room for the satsang. And I am telling you, every day he is there. As usual, how he sits, he is sitting there, attending satsang sincerely. Because body is no more binding factor for him. He became so intensely connected to me. His body was not binding him anymore. I tell you. Reach a space where your body never binds you. Body should not be binding you. The fuel you use decides your future. Let unclutching, intense unclutching, be the fuel for your consciousness. Listen to every statement I am uttering. Use this lockdown period all over the world. Change the fuel for yourself. You may be using wrong fuels in the past. Now, this lockdown period is the best time to shift the fuel for your system. I tell you. Nirahara Samyama itself is to change the quality of the fuel. Change the fuel. I want you to know, if you feed right fuel to your consciousness, that will naturally manifest as powers, health, energy, strategy, intensity, wealth, enlightenment, all the auspiciousness. All you need to do is change the fuel for your consciousness, prana for your consciousness. I am so happy all over the world. Thousands of people are sitting unclutched. We already made 4,41,000 minutes, people sitting unclutched all over the world. We need to reach out to every individual and make every individual understand unclutching should be. Unclutching should be your source, resource and fuel. Your source, resource and fuel. Understand? Your source, resource and fuel. "42 Apat Sannyasis are conducting from all over the world. I want all these Apat Sannyasis also to collect all my satsangs on unclutching. How to make the unclutching easy experience, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Collect all these satsangs and share. I tell you, unclutching is the most powerful and universal. Whatever may be your religious background, you will not have resistance for unclutching. It is too easy. Whatever may be your jati, varana, religious background, race, gender, anything, the unclutching will not have resistance. It's too smooth. You can just experience. I tell you. I really want to tell you. Unclutching is the most easiest, powerful and universal way of manifesting the state of Paramashiva. We should collect all the satsangs I have given on unclutching. I think from 2005 I started teaching, revealing this science of Nirvikalpa Samadhi to the whole world, the unclutching to the whole world. I have given a detailed, at least 100 hours of satsangs on various aspects of unclutching and various methods to unclutch. I request every one of you to watch this satsang sincerely. This at least 100 hours. All the Apat Sannyasis can do a compilation of this 100 hours of unclutching satsangs, Nirvikalpa Samadhi initiation. And share it with every participant who is participating in this Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna. Understand? Make the unclutching as your fuel for life. I tell you, It will be such an extreme, exciting, enlightening lifestyle. Nothing will disturb you or shake you. You can reach this tinyurl.com/unclutching. I think the spelling needs to be corrected. I tell you, ginger will melt all the fat in the liver. Unclutching will melt all the karmas, toxins on your bioenergy. You will have the most purest body and mind. If you add unclutching as your fuel. I have elaborately explained this process of Nirvikalpa Samadhi and unclutching. And I tell you, it's a unique contribution of Paramashiva through this body, through this being. Watch these unclutching videos. Learn the process of Nirvikalpa Samadhi, manifesting Paramashiva's state. This is the foundation for any spiritual seeker to manifest the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Understand? extreme unclenching makes you work and be active in hundreds of dimensions of life simultaneously, spontaneously, cohesively. Listen, very cohesively. People who lived around me, they know at a time I can handle 50 different departments, heads, giving them instructions and receiving updates from them and giving them further instructions. Whether it's a ritual department or sacred arts department or vision department or garden department, all the ministers can be at a time around me. I can remember for each department the instructions I gave from 2001 and repeat verbatim. Multi-dimensions of your being will work spontaneously, intensely, cohesively, coherently, without getting overlapped or confused. Listen. The racist devils, the racist terrorists can never understand the power of unclenching. That's why they are afraid of Hinduism. Hinduism teaches this unique science of Nirvikalpa Samadhi, from where all knowledge, all the best things opens. I tell you, like ginger melts the fat on your liver, unclenching melts all the toxins in your system. Use unclenching, radiate the state of Paramashiva. That's the essence of today's session. Today, let us dedicate our time and energy to watch unclenching satsangs and share it with the whole world. The unclenching satsang. So, with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, casting, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.